2019 Vauxhall Astra. As you can see, it's fully repaired and is ready for sale. For the repair, we were able to source most of our panels from the same colour Vauxhall Astra, which included parts such as the bonnet, the front bumper, the crash bar, the rad pack, passenger's headlight and the dashboard. All the seat belts and the airbag module were sent to Airbag Team, where they were reconditioned and reprogrammed. The car itself is a 2019 1.4 petrol 6-speed with just 24,000 miles. It's MOT till the 5th of March 2025 and has 2 keys. There's a great spec on the car with things like air conditioning, cruise control, speed limit, rear parking sensors, collision and brake system, lane assist, auto wipers, auto headlights, and it also has a full touchscreen DAB radio system. There's probably more that I've missed out, but if you want any more information you can contact me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. And if you do like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps me out, and I will see you on the next video.